Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a xenon bulb in an Audi A4. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the bulb has cooled down for at least 15 minutes. It's crucial to wear protective gloves and safety goggles throughout this process. Remember, never touch the glass of the new xenon bulb with your bare hands. Oils can cause it to fail quickly. Handle it only by its base. For optimal performance, many recommend replacing both bulbs at the same time. Now, let's get to the bulb. First, open your car's hood and identify the headlight assembly you'll be working on. For the passenger side, you'll typically need to remove the air intake box, which is usually held by a few clips or screws. On the driver's side, gaining access might require temporarily moving the power steering fluid reservoir. Once you have clear access, carefully remove the round rear cover of the headlight assembly, usually by giving it a quarter turn counterclockwise. With the cover off, it's time to remove the old bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it away from the bulb's base. Next, you'll see the metal retention clips or a bulb holder securing the xenon bulb. Carefully unclip these or turn the holder about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it. Now, gently pull the old bulb straight out from its housing, always holding it by its plastic or metal base, never the glass. Now for the new bulb. Carefully insert the fresh xenon bulb into the headlight housing, making sure to align any specific notches or tabs for a proper fit. Once seated, secure it by re-engaging the metal retention clips or turning the bulb holder clockwise until it clicks firmly into place. Reconnect the electrical connector to the bulb's base, ensuring a snug connection. Finally, replace the headlight's rear access cover, making sure it's sealed tightly. Turn on your ignition and test your new headlights to confirm they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.